Norma Estel Medina. I'm the Operational Excellence Associate Director for Asheville. I'm excited to be here today to talk about the Electron Beam Physical Vapor Deposition Coater, also known as EBPVD. This coater, which you see behind me, is currently being assembled and ships in more than 80 different crates across 30 plus tractor trailers and takes 6 months to assemble. Once complete and operational, the machine will apply a ceramic coating to the turbine airfoils we produce. Coating is vital to the survivability of a part. What makes our coatings so cool is that Pratt & Whitney recipes are unique to us and allow us to extend the life of the part, resulting in benefits for the customer in both performance and cost.
Hi, I'm Natalie Dodaro, a manufacturing engineer. Let's talk a little bit more about what the EBPVD coater does. This coater uses an electron beam to vaporize ceramic into a cloud under vacuum. This ceramic cloud then deposits onto the relatively colder parts to form a thin, solid ceramic coating on the turbine airfoils. This coating allows our engines to run hotter and provides more power, which improves thrust and fuel efficiency, which saves our customers money. The coating machines in Asheville feature several key improvements and new technologies that will help improve production as manufacturing transforms into the next generation, Industry 4.0. The biggest Industry 4.0 benefit will be our improved ability to capture and visualize data in real time. There's a large screen that allows manufacturing engineers like me to visually see data trends during the coating process. This will help us improve our overall effectiveness and fine-tune our production process.
As you can see, the coater and our state-of-the-art process is vital to the overarching industry as it allows us to extend the life of the part, reduce cost, improve performance, provide more power, and improve fuel efficiency for our customers. Here in Asheville, we will continue to leverage elements of Industry 4.0 as we build our factory of the future.